What's up everyone, I'm Roxy and today is day 17 of my 30 days to get your life together productivity series. So if you're new to my channel and you have no idea what I'm talking about, I will leave in the series playlist down below so you can check out the previous challenges and a little bit more about what it is about. But basically every single day for the month of June, I'll be posting a new productivity challenge to help you get your life together. We're in June, which means that half of the year has already gone by and we don't want the rest of the year to pass us by without feeling as if we did something for ourselves. Before I share with you my productivity challenge for today, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It is my only social media and there's so much exclusive lifestyle content over there that you don't want to miss. Okay, so today's challenge might be really hard for some of us, like myself. If this is not you, then you definitely get a free pass in this challenge. But today's challenge is to make up your bed when you wake up. If you've already woken up and you're now watching this video, the challenge is now to make up your bed every single day for the rest of this month at least. I suck at making up my bed every single day. I literally roll off my bed and run and get ready and completely forget about it. I've read a lot about what successful people do in the morning and all of them start by first making up their bed, and it makes sense because when you wake up and you make up your bed, even though you really don't want to, you're basically accomplishing the first task of your day. And feeling that sense of accomplishment that you've done something so simple as soon as you woke up really sets the tone for the rest of the day and helps you to be more productive and work harder at making sure you check off all of your to-do lists.
Coffee cups and cigarettes laying around the room. I don't mind a little mess, just wanna stay with you, and we'll do anything that we want today. Won't be scared of falling down no more. So take me away, some other place. Don't wanna wait. Oh, my Indian summer, take me away.
That is basically the task for today. It's so simple, so easy, but it can definitely be a challenge for some of us. So I'm really excited for all of us to work on this together for the rest of the month and make our beds up every single day. I know it sounds very simple, but let's do it and let's see how it goes. So I would love for you to comment down below and let me know if you are someone who always makes your bed, or if you are someone who is struggling like myself, and if you are excited to try this out at least and see how you feel when you wake up every single morning and make up your bed and tidy it up and make sure it looks really beautiful and just pretty. Let me know your thoughts. I will also share my thoughts down below because I am also doing this challenge with you. So if you enjoy this challenge and you are enjoying my 30 days to get your life together productivity series, definitely give this video a huge thumbs up. It means so much to me and it supports my channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any content I have planned for you. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you tomorrow for my next productivity challenge. Bye! Mwah.